how tables can just turn around in Nigeria.
Well, it's a point of law that is mentioned there. If you don't have jurisdiction, don't even entertain the matter. That it is on that grounds that the appeal court actually, it's on that grounds that the appeal court actually nullified the ruling of the federal high courts. If they don't have jurisdiction, we all know that for example, the federal high court is a money court. It's a money court, and it's a court where most of especially the federal MDAs, that is where their issues are usually canvassed one way or the other. So, so if you don't have jurisdiction, but it's also a good thing that at least to make the competition fair and to give everybody a level field, that at least the APC also has a candidate now contesting that election. You know, already the Diri, Governor Diri, you know, he had celebrated that judgment by the Federal High Court, and he has gained a lot of a lot of grounds. Whether we like it or not, he has gained a lot of grounds within this period. Now, when you are sure of your position, it's different from.
Okay, here is the thing about, because of the time, let's just hit this on the spot. Here is the thing about this judgment. We have had constitutional lawyers here use the constitution to point out clearly, as amended after the Goodluck Jonathan incident of a doctrine of necessity and running a third time and all of that. And that the constitution clearly states that if you have been sworn in, taking oath of office twice, you have no business attempting to take oath of office for the same office. You cannot take the oath of office the third time. We know that Sylva has taken oath of office twice. Now, Justice Okorowo, maybe jurisdiction, or these are legal terms, decided to say, no, you cannot be interpreting the Constitution. Yes, Justice B. Zubair is saying he doesn't have jurisdiction, but he is a justice, a judge. He was interpreting the Nigerian Constitution. Now, this matter now went to an appeal, where the matter is supposed to be heard in the first place. Again, the Nigerian judiciary didn't look at the merits of the matter. This time, Justice Zubair didn't look at the merits of the matter. Just said, he doesn't have jurisdiction. Didn't even attend to the root cause of the actual issue, which is, does Sylva have the legal constitutional backing to run for the office of a governor? Therein, if he wins, does he have the constitutional standing to take oath of office a third time? And she just said, Okorowo does not have the jurisdiction. Throws it off. I was Sylva 1 million. So what are we celebrating now?
And I think there's even
an abuse of the constitution, or disregard of it.
I don't think that the constitution has been abused there. Has been abused. Even the issue of taking the oath of office, I believe that they are talking about back to back. Taking the oath of office twice. If the man had moved on within the period, there had been other governors. There had been other governors, and Timipre Sylva is coming back now after having left the position, and then is coming back now. I don't think that.
What we are saying is it according to the Constitution, or the Constitution say you cannot take oath of office back to back, or it specifically states that you cannot take oath of office 3 times for the same office.
The Constitution says you can't take after you have twice. Well, you know, one thing is the Constitution, the issue of interpretation. That is where the judges come in. One of the issues that was raised is who even brought the matter, and does the person who brought the matter have the local standing to even bring the matter? Did he contest? It was not in any way.
The APC man.
The person that brought the matter did not in any way. So what is even his local standing in that matter?